Well, what? Ooh, here's some dookie shits right here. Find the elevator. Got it. Oh god, I hear his wet feet. I hear his wet feet. He's around here. Okay. This shouldn't be too hard, right, this level? Oh, this is where I fucking came from. This wet, slimy fuck. I really hate how slimy he is. Gross ass, man. Complete gross ass. Huh. Okay. Okay. Big feet, man. You know what they say about that. Gross. Oh, gross. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna fuck the Oh, I found it already. I'm goated. Are you kidding me? Oh. Oh my god. I'm so genius. I'm so fucking genius. Oh my lordy lord. Stay in the light. Oh god, what is this? Little smiley face realm? Don't like that. Here we go though. Exit. Okay. Easy enough. What? What? Light work. Light work, dude. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Oh, ha ha ha! Ha! Whoa, what the goddamn shit? It heard you. Was that like a password or something? Whoa. Okay. Oh, son of a fuck! God damn it! Oh my! I died already. I didn't even get a second to like think about it. I just died. Oh. Oh. I get it. I get it. I get it. They turn back on. Oh. Huh? You look like a bunch of fucking idiots now, you stupid ass Joker face. Bitch ass cloud. Don't mind if I fucking do. Crack that shit open right now, actually. Fuck you guys. Oh god, okay, I ran right into one. I ran directly into that fucking guy. Are you kidding me? Don't run out of breath. You're so stupid. Who on earth can run for 3 seconds and then run out of air? Who does that? Who? That's not human. That's weird. Especially when you're in a scenario where if you get caught, you die instantly. You little bitches. I ain't even scared of you. And then I'm gonna run. You better give me enough time. You are an actual bastard. That is not enough time. It just is not. They don't give you enough time. You guys are a couple of bastards. Alright. Hug the wall, 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 hug the wall. Whew. Okay. Oh, okay. And I'm running. And she's like, when I see the text die, and she can run away when it gets hard. Okay. Okay, that's where I gotta go. Right there. Here I go. No! Fuck! Okay. I see what the problem is. There are times when it goes for long, then there are times when it goes for short. And I gotta go when it goes for long because that's just what makes sense. That's a short. That's a short. Yep. Do it. Shouldn't have gone. That was a short. That's a long. That's a long. Mm-hmm. Skirt on by. Fuck you guys. Please. Oh, what? Oh, I was in it. Are you kidding me? What's up? It was a ruse! It was a ruse the whole damn time. The exit's this way. I wish I could see anything. I've bested you, the system. This way? Okay, man, I can't see shit up here. I don't know if I was supposed to actually go up here. Lost. I can't see a damn thing in here, man. I don't think I was actually supposed to be able to get up here. What the fuck? I think I've entered... I think I've entered a different back rooms now. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Oh. I found the downstairs. I found where I'm supposed to go. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but my controller died right when I was about to go down the fucking stairs. I'm dead. No, I'm not. Oh my god. I'm goated. I'm fucking goated. Yep. In. This is good. This is the best one I've had. Holy moly, that was long. Oh. I fucking made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. See left, it's an endless hallway. And if you look right, it's also an endless hallway. So really, I think... Alright. A flashlight. This might just be the right way. Okay, maybe not. Haha! Oh my god! Okay, so we can come into the light. God damn it. Okay, this time... Let's go left this time. Let's see if left does us any favors here. Okay, seems to be the exact same outcome. Demon? No demon. Okay. Dude, you know what? You totally sold me. Oh my fucking god. Crouch. Oh my god. He's far away. Dude, I'm lightning fast. Don't even talk to me. He's right behind me. He's fucking right behind me. Oh my god. Oh, easy peasy, dude. Don't even talk to me. I'm goated as fuck. Turn it all on. Aha, okay. Okay. Huh. Some water. Let me get a sip of that, dude. Oh. Oh, so delicious. Oh. What a tasty treat for me. Oh. Oh no. God damn. I've only got 3. Ugh. That's rude. What is this? Blind it and run. Thank you, random note leaver person. I love a random note leaver person. They're my favorite. That is a dog. That is a fucking... It's a dog with a man face. That guy's a little bitch, man. As long as I have a flashlight. Can't do shit. I'm not scared of you. Let me get a close look at this fucking guy. Look at his ugly ass. I just gotta make sure not to turn a corner that he's like waiting in, or else I'm dead, I think. Oh. No. 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 Bad. Go away. Shoot. Fuck off. I'll kick you. I'll kick your little head in, dude. Can you actually fuck off, man? There's a way that way. Run that way. Okay. I don't think he's gonna move. I think I just have to go around. Oh my god. I'm going insaniac. I'm going insaniac. I need some juice. You're such a fucker. You are such a fucker. Run away. Dude, you're camping. You're camping. I gotta find some juice quick. Oh my good golly gosh, that fucking scared the dick off of me. You're not scary. Alright? Wait, what's in here? Oh my god, I almost missed this one. What an idiot I am. Oh, this is just like Among Us. Oh my god. Just like Among Us. Easy peasy, buddy. You don't scare me. You're friggin' ugly. Alright? I'm not scared by uggos. No, don't go that way. I need to go that way. He just despawned. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm more scared of the lightning than the fucking dog. Well, I did everything, I'm pretty sure, so. I think there's a radio. I know. I love Cool Ranch.